How to check how much data you have left on iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your mobile data usage on your iPhone quickly and easily. So first, open the Settings app, tap on Cellular or Mobile Data. Here under Cellular Data, you will see the total data used for the current period along with the usage per app. To reset this at the start of your billing cycle, scroll to the bottom and tap Reset Statistics. And if you are with carriers like AT&T or Verizon, you can dial a quick code like asterisk 3282 number sign and they will text you your current data usage. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.